Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while and today I have, I guess, a thrift flip video for you. I'm sorry for my very strange appearance, but I am ready to start a thrift flip. I wanted to show you what it looks like before. I'm doing two thrift flips. One I kind of already started. I did film me in the process of it, but I wanted to show you guys this one before I start. So I thrifted this cube lamp with this amazing bulb. I mean, amazing. It works. As soon as I saw it, I thought of a Rubik's Cube. So my idea, if I can find my phone, there it is to do this to the cube. So I already have my paint colors. I had to mix a green to kind of match that. So I'm just gonna be doing a time lapse of me painting because that is not very interesting, but just wanted to pop in and say what I'm gonna be doing. And then you're just gonna see me working on this thrift flip and then the other one and possibly one more. I don't know, at least two, we'll see. But anyways, thank you for watching and let's get into the thrift flip. So I think I already did an intro and my hair was a different color, so continuity. I went ahead and finished those two thrift flips as you've probably already seen, so now I'm just gonna be showing you the finished results. So let's start with the first one, which was the frame that I repainted. So I just painted it black. I mean, it took a few coats, but I think it looks way better with the black frame. I think the warm yellow wood was kind of distracting with the yellow in the actual painting or drawing, and I prefer my frames to be black. This one's done, pretty straightforward. I mean, these are not hard thrift flips. Well, the second one was a little bit more involved. I will be hanging this up in my room sometime soon, but I wanted to film the finished product before I put it up on the wall. So here's the first one, and the second thrift flip is the Rubik's Cube lamp. So I actually followed a pattern that when turned would be like an actual Rubik's Cube that you would solve. So this did take a long time. I didn't film all the layers it took because it took a lot of layers, and then once I was done I realized I wanted the black lines, so I had to figure out how to do that, and that involved kind of repainting the squares again. I think all that I might do is put a gloss or a matte finish just to protect the paint colors from dust, the environment, you name it. Anyways, so that's what this looks like. I think it looks way cooler, more unique, and let's turn it on. There we go. So that is what it looks like on. I love it so much. I think it's so cool. I will also be placing this in my room somewhere, and yeah, I think it looks way more interesting, even off, than it did just the plain, I believe this is either clay or cement. But so one final look at the squares. They kind of look random, but I swear I looked up a good order for these. It is missing the bottom, so let's just pretend that those are there. Okay, so that has been the two thrift flips. I will be doing a thrift haul in my next video. I think I'm going to break it up into two different hauls because I have a lot of stuff. And for one of my thrift haul trips, I actually filmed a come thrift with me, so I think what I'm going to do is just show you what I got in the come thrift with me and then upload a bigger cumulative thrift haul later on. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I've been kind of missing and MIA and all that stuff, but if you follow me on Instagram, I've still been posting on there. It's just, you know, making content takes a lot of time and energy, and there's a lot of excuses. But anyways, thank you if you've subscribed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the thrift flips. They weren't anything super exciting, but I promise that my next few videos are going to be very exciting because I found some amazing vintage goodies and I can't wait to share with you guys. So please make sure to like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.